miniature pump working 3 volt DC. Hi guys, if you have any question, write them in the comments. I'll answer all your question myself. Have a good time testing.